Okay, good day. So I'm here at the farm in Coronadal, South Cotabato. So I'm wearing the official t-shirt of the Philippine Institute of Environmental Planners. So I'm also a licensed environmental planner. So one of my professions, that's my professional license. So let's have a tour, no, dito sa venue ng event. I just went out, medyo inaantok ako, no, doon sa event, for you to have some idea. Now let's have some tour of this place because matagal ako hindi nakabalik dito. Let's have sa backing nga tayo muna, no? Hindi nagpa-function yung holder ko, no? Backing tayo, dahan-dahan, no? Medyo marami na ring umuwi, so konti na lang yung mga participants. Okay, so dahan-dahan tayo. Okay, ikutin natin yung the farm. Maganda dito kasi almost planted, no, yung place ng mga bamboos, kaya medyo malamig siya. Tapos preserve yung mga kahoy also, mga trees that you observe. So ikot tayo dito. This is the parking area, no, parking area, para you have a feel gaano kalaki yung the farm. Ito yung parking area natin. Labas tayo dito, no? We're the only one nakapark dito kasi the rest medyo umalis na. So they have their mga places, no, ng I think mga convention area. Dito kami yung convention area namin here. We have a lot of participants kanina, no? Maraming umattend. Both sides, no, planted, punong-puno ng mga ornamental plants. When they started more than a decade ago, hindi ganito ka-develop yung place. Ngayon parang siya yung naging prime location for mga meetings, mga events. Maganda din yung facility sa loob, no? We can have some tour ng mga facilities. Dito muna, our tour will be covering yung ground area, no, ng the farm, to check on yung mga landscaping nila, no. So this one, parking area din also here. This one, parking, no. Okay, this is yung parking area. This is the Fiesta Filipino Ballroom. Ayan, na malaki-laki din to, yung capacity, pwedeng 1,000. Ikot tayo, no? Driving tour muna. So I'd mention yung mga kahoy, they preserve yung kahoy, no? Mga old na mga trees nandito. Tapos naka-landscape, yan. May mga dagdag din. So natural landscaping talagang ginawa dito. This area also, marami silang mga places to conduct. This is also they accept also yung accommodation. So this is their exit na area, parking area, no? Then exit. Ito yung mga place na dito, yung Grand Gazebo, Fiesta Mall, Japanese Hall, Japanese Villas, Courtyard Hotel. No, let's check yung mga facilities doon sa loob. But in the meantime, dito ikot muna tayo. This is the entrance, no, ng ng the farm. Okay. Then balik lang tayo kung hindi tayo lumabas. Let's have a tour of the area. Okay. Umikot dito, no, balik tayo. Kanina magandang topic, no? There's foreign guest also, yung speaker here. So backing lang tayo. Okay. Then balik tayo sa loob. Okay. May playground sila for kids na on the side. Sa mention yung mga trees, they preserve yung mga trees, nag-adjust yung kalsada, no? Yung tao yung nag-adjust sa mga kahoy. Yan. May mga baging-baging pa eh. What do you call ba yung baging in English? Okay, let's go back doon sa venue. This is just a driving tour. This is the parking area. This is the Grand Gazebo. Yan, no? Okay. Okay, ito tayo. Then we'll park muna dito, no? At least nakita natin yung facilities. Mamaya let's try to cover yung sa loob, no, ng mga facilities nila.